me crazy. You can call me whatever you want, but that won't change me. I just don't care what the world says, I'm gonna make it. They can call me whatever they want, so what if I am crazy, crazy? Crazy, crazy. Oh Lord, this is so much harder than I thought, but I will give them everything I've got. One day I am gonna prove them wrong. Oh Lord, let me be the one to set them free. I will give them every part of me, put my heart where everyone can see. They can call me whatever they want, call me crazy. You can call me whatever you want, but that won't change me. I just don't care what the world says, I'm gonna make it. They can call me whatever they want, so what if I am crazy, crazy?
What's up? What's up? On the level. Keep it on the level. Keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the. Keep it on the level. Keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the ladder while you bring me up a shovel. I can do this all day. I can do this all night. I can do this all day. I can do this all night.
जो आवाज आ रहा है ना आवाज ठीक है सही है
हाँ बराबर है
like a black gypsy in a caravan of bros. Music for the people, I used to rap on the train. Now I rap on the stage and I'm used to capital gain. I ain't asking for change, I'm good at coining the phrase. What I want is more than ever and never to fade away. Is that too much to ask? Good, cause I ain't asking. Already into action, I had your answer retracted. So stay about my business, is crowded enough with me. You added it's just a witness, I'd rather not even see. I'm good with the folks around me, get from around me before we commence to clown. And yeah, keep it on the level, yeah, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the ladder while you in need of a shovel. Let's get at 'em. I'm climbing up the. Keep it on the level, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the. I'm climbing up the. Keep it on the level, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the ladder while you in need of a shovel. Yeah. Don't give it to me easy, I like a little challenge. When it feels better when you take a little damage. Slow, learning fast, earning, stay burning, wheels turning, it's a ongoing thing. Don't give it to me easy, I like a little challenge. When it feels better when you take a little damage. Slow, learning fast, earning, stay burning, wheels turning, it's a ongoing thing. I'm climbing up the. I'm climbing up the. I'm climbing up the. I'm climbing up the. Keep it on the level. Keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the. Climbing up the. Climbing up the. Keep it on the level. Keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the ladder while you in need of a shovel. I can do this all day. I can do this all night. Do this all night. I can do this all day. I can do this all night. All night. Do this
I can do this all day, I can do this all night. Do this all night. I can do this all day, I can do this all night. All night. Do this all night.
Don't give it to me easy. I like a little challenge. When it feels better when you take a little damage. Slow, learn it fast, earn it, stay, burn it, wheels turn it. It's a ongoing thing. Don't give it to me easy. I like a little challenge. When it feels better when you take a little damage. Slow, learn it fast, earn it, stay, burn it.
Everyone who's waiting, we'll just wait for 2-3 more minutes until the participants and the chief guests join in, and then we'll start off. Just 2 more minutes.
Wheels turning, it's a ongoing thing.
सर ज्वाइन हो गए देखो श्वेतांशु टिकट या
Jasmine, you can start.
Okay. So, am I audible, right?
yes
Very good afternoon to our chief guest, Mr. Sukumar Sardeshmukh, our chief coordinator, Dr. Satya Narayan, our teacher coordinator, Dr. Ashwin Mali sir, and my dear colleagues and participants. Welcome to the closing ceremony of Excalibur 2021. Me, Jasmine Marva from ED Cell of Pune College of Pharmacy, will be your host for the evening. It has been an intensive week with a productive, fruitful, and interesting and full of fun webinars and competitions. And today we are here to conclude our event. We have achieved a lot, and I'm also very encouraged by the fact that all the participants have been full of enthusiasm the entire week. Hope I get some inspiration from all of them for my online classes. Before any further, I would like to tell you about our college and Excalibur 2021. Pune College of Pharmacy, a constituent unit of Bharati Vidyapeeth University, is a pioneer pharmacy college in the Pune region. The college conducts B Pharm, M Pharm, Pharm D, Pharm Post Baccalaureate, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Practice, and PhD programs, and it has been recognized as a center of excellence in the pharmacy profession in Pune. The Board of Accreditation NPA and the National Accreditation and Assessment Council NAAC has accorded A plus grade for its academic and research contributions. And surely, folks, in all India NIRF ranking, we are on rank 22. Excalibur 2021 has been organized by the Entrepreneurship Cell of Pune College of Pharmacy, which was started to generate new ideas in the young minds, inculcating skills necessary to be a successful entrepreneur. I would like to thank our sponsors, without whom none of these would have been possible. Our skincare partners, Scrubs, Salts and Scrubs, knowledge care partners, Wiley, our entertainment partners, Booklistic, cashback partners, cashkaro.com, wellness partners, Inside Tone, drink partners, Filter Beans. Now, before any further, I would like to ask Rishikesh to please show the glimpses of the event. Was indeed a very great competition. I would love to see it again, really. Now, before any further ado, I'd like to call upon Dr. Satya sir to share his views on Excalibur 21 week.
I guess sir is not audible. Hmm.
Hello. Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, Satya sir
Yes,
is not
sir,
audible,
you
I
are.
guess. You
Satya
are.
sir is not over. Yeah,
No.
he's not audible, right?
No, 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 no.
Okay, that's fine. Uh, I'd like to call upon then Dr. Ashwin Mali sir to share his views on Excalibur 21 week.
Good evening to all of you. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir, you are.
Yes, yes. So good evening to all, and it's immense pleasure to express or to give a overall event about information about the overall event, right, which is celebrated in our Pune College of Pharmacy by the Entrepreneurship Development Cell. And first of all, I'm very much thankful to Sir. Right? He has shared his important time, and he is there with us, Dr. Sukumar Sir Deshmukh Sir. And definitely, he is going to guide us also, these aspiring entrepreneurs. So briefly, just I will share what the events are going to be organized in this week. So this Excalibur 21, which is organized by the Pune College of Pharmacy by the Entrepreneurship Development Cell, is going to be a full of various events as well as the various competitions, and especially this is the platform for the aspiring entrepreneurs, and where they have got a number of lot of information rather, right, from the experienced entrepreneurs, so they can come up with the different ideas and various especially the having a basic knowledge, right, from the for the entrepreneurship skill. And along with this event is nothing but is one of the very nice blend for the mentors, especially the investors and the entrepreneurs, the new age entrepreneurs, where they have shared their particular views. Along with that, the various, particularly the entrepreneurs, very well known entrepreneurs, they have shared their experiences, and rather than they motivated these aspiring entrepreneurs. Out of that, on 16th, Mr. Gaurav Sangvi has especially who shared his views on the how to manage the finances before starting the entrepreneur. Along with that, Mr. Deepak Parekh, right? He has shared his entrepreneurship journey, which is a very motivating. Along with that, Dr. Daksh Sethi, right? He has shared a session, and he has shared very nicely how a social media can be used to bring or to build a branding as well as to create a content. Along with that, Rakesh Godwani sir has shared about how the role and responsibility should be there and what actually the qualities are going to be required to become a very successful entrepreneurs as well as the leader. And along with that, Mr. Varun Sridhar, CEO Paytm, he has also shared his experiences and what struggle he has faced. And that is also the session was a very motivating, especially the students. And along with this session, especially the various to explore the entrepreneurship talent and to share the creativity, right, the various competitions are going to be organized in this throughout the entrepreneurship that is fest. And in that round table, one of the uh, competition is organized where the students have shared their ideas. They have especially given the various topics where they need to come up with their creative ideas. Then one picture down, one of the program was going to a competition was arranged where the students need to be particularly convince their investor within 90 minutes 90 seconds. Along with that, one of the how you start in one of the competition was arranged where the students have to build the character, and they need to promote that particular characters. And along with this, the Doodle Doodle brand 404, like these events are going to be organized, where the students have to come up with the new startup ideas, and they need to show what are the novelties are going to be there, what is going to be the idea is going to be there behind their startups. So with this particularly, the whole this entrepreneurship festival rather than fest is going to be organized, right, under that is Excalibur 21, and it is going to be really successful. Most of the students from the various pharmacy colleges throughout the India, they have participated. More than 250 students have participated, and number of cash prizes, the vouchers they have secured, and really this fest is going to be one of the very successful, and number of students are going to be benefited. And with this, today, uh, again, a very special guest on this occasion with us today, Dr. Sukumar Sir Deshmukh sir, and he is the managing director of Ayurveda Gram Pune. Is going to be one of the very renowned institute is going to be there, especially the in the Ayurveda, the ancient Ayurvedic treatments, right, are going to be especially are going to be given to the patients. And the Sukumar sir has a very long lineage is going to be there, right from his generation in this area, right from his grandfather he is going to be serving, and he is very well known. One of the area that is the Nadi Parikshan, he is the expert in this particular region. In this case, he has visited more than 18 various countries to spread the Ayurveda knowledge. Along with that, he is the bachelor in the Ayurveda, and especially he has MBA in the Ayurvedic pharmaceutical. So he can share very or motivate the students very nicely regarding how these Ayurvedic or herbal formulations are going to be beneficial, and what are the rather than the various opportunities where the students can explore. Along with this, Sir is currently serving as a managing director of Atharva Natural Healthcare Private Limited and Ayurveda Gram Pune. And also, he is the current president of the National Ayurveda Student and Youth Association, Maharashtra State, and serving as a vice president of Ayurveda uh, Mahasammelan, that is West Maharashtra region. And he has also been is one of the active participant in the various social activities as well as the various international examinations, conference, and seminar. So on this note, a brief introduction. I welcome Dr. Sukumar Sir Deshmukh sir, and it's our immense pleasure rather than of Entrepreneurship Development Cell of Pune College of Pharmacy that today he is with us, and definitely he is going to guide to these aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome, sir.
Namaste. Uh, Namaste. Good evening, everyone. Thank you,
Good evening,
everyone.
sir.
Good evening. Thank you, everyone, thank you, Dr. Mali, sir, also for introducing me very generously. Basically, it's a pleasure and an honor to be with all the young entrepreneurs who are there today, all across India. Also, I am thankful to the management of Bharati Vidyapeeth Pune College of Pharmacy. On this occasion of Excalibur 21, it gives an immense pleasure, and it feels very good that there is such a platform for our young entrepreneurs by various institutions like Bharati Vidyapeeth, who have come up with such great innovative ideas and symposiums and conferences, so that it will give a direct stage or a platform to the young entrepreneurs in various fields. Myself, coming from the 11 generations of Ayurveda, my family background is very traditional and spiritual. Basically, we are into Ayurveda and Nadi Pariksha. I have Ayurvedic medical college of our own. We have basically in our tradition, it was not no one has done business, or no one was ever dreamt of becoming an entrepreneur. But whenever I was before going to the BMS basic degree course, I had set up in my mind that I wanted to become a businessman apart from being a doctor or a nadi chikitsa, a vaidya. So that time I had only thought that yes, I definitely wanted to become a businessman in the field of Ayurvedic pharma industry, and I have a very nice company called Atharva Nature Healthcare. We are into manufacturing of Ayurvedic medicines. We are into manufacturing of Ayurvedic nutraceutical, then natural supplements as well as cosmetics products. We are been exporting from last 6 years into 21 and more countries all over the globe. And this was started just 7 years before. 9 years before I entered into this company, and that time I realized that our ancient, my father always said to me, see, India can export only two things of their own. One is yoga and one is Ayurveda, because they are our own knowledge. And I think that is only our, the main, we can say our backbones according to the tradition and knowledge. So that time I had never thought that this level of demand for Ayurveda and yoga would be there in the world, it would be generated. But now you yourself can see, being into the field, that yoga and Ayurveda has been widely accepted, not only in India but mainly in the European country, US, UK, and different parts of the world. Uh, Basically, actually, when Dr. Mali called me and said that you have to be the chief guest, that time I was little bit uh, thinking why I am chosen for becoming a chief guest. But some years before, as like you, I was also attending many symposiums on MSME, on business management, on entrepreneurships. That day I had decided that I will do something unique in my field of Ayurveda that would give me a pleasure and a satisfaction of being and completing my dream to become an entrepreneur. Basically, according to me, who is an entrepreneur? According to me, the entrepreneur is one person who thinks very differently, who has an innovativeness in his own sector, and who thinks out of the box. As taking of my own example, when we do our BMS degree or when we pursue our degree, everybody opens a clinic or everybody opens one educational institute, but there is no one who think out of the box. What my thinking was that my dream was to open India's first Ayurvedic mall, and that was I was thinking for many years that people uh, from abroad are giving so much importance to our ancient traditional science, then why can't our people would also would give the same value to it? But we lack in our presentation, we lack in our own user friendliness. So that's why you all know that when you go to any Ayurvedic Vaidya or doctor, they give you some herbs, some churnas or some powders, but they are not being easily taken nowadays. Then it's all about the taste, the bitterishness what you have when you consume them. People say, oh, I don't want to drink the kada, I don't want to take these things. So what set in my mind was why, how this ancient knowledge or ancient science can be easily made acceptable, in which format. So we had different concepts which I was thinking on, and I thought let's make an Ayurvedic mall where it will be everything under one roof, from a Ayurvedic cafeteria, restaurant, from a multi brand store, from a Ayurvedic tea lounge, from a Ayurvedic cosmetic lounge, and therapy center, Panchakarma, and everything. And this was the start of dreaming, of making a dream called Ayurved Gram. So Ayurved Gram was a concept which was put forth 4 or 5 years ago, which was in my mind, and I thought of taking this risk. And I think when you actually want to become an entrepreneur, the first thing you have to do is to take a risk. Dream big, we even Bill Gates never knew that he would be one of the person who would be responsible for the taking computers in everybody's house. He dreamt big. So that's why when I thought the main thing was to taking the risk and then to appropriately, consistently striving to achieve the aim and the goal. And then when Mr. Ratan Tata being my role model, it was a very different, even in personally when I met him, I had a privilege and an honor to meet him because he had come to our institute in Wagholi in Pune. I had met him in Mumbai. And that time when he was talking to us, he said, Ayurveda is one of the boon towards the Indian tradition and science. And why don't you use it? So we told him that, yes, we are using it also in cancer patients a lot. So we are doing cancer research from 1996, taking out more than 15,000 patients registered in cancer, doing Ayurvedic treatment with allopathic treatment in an integrated way to reduce the side effects of chemo and radiations. And then he was impressed by the work, and that time he funded us 25 crores straight away in last 6 years. He has, that time he said that Ayurveda is one thing that would take India on a very different level on the world map. He believed in us. And that's why our cancer project was totally funded by Mr. Ratan Tata. And that time when he had given a lecture, when he had given his thoughts, I remember what he said. He said, none can destroy iron, but its own rust can. Likewise, none can destroy a person, but its own mindset can. So I think it's all upon your belief, it's all upon your mindset, what you want to do in your life. Think different, think out of the box, and strive hard to achieve the goal. The market for you all are also the organizer is from the Pune College of Pharmacy. The pharmaceutical industry is in its boom now. Even the herbaceutical, the nutraceutical industry is in its boom now. The demand for Ayurvedic herbal products are so much internationally that we could not supply even 5% of the demand. So I think this is a different sector that any entrepreneur will also think. Many Ayurvedic doctors or many big businessmen have started having cultivation of Ayurvedic herbs recently, because after COVID-19, everybody became a farmer. Everybody started growing vegetables on their own. They came to know the importance of our basic needs, Anna, Vastra, and Nivara, which we say in Marathi. So they come to know the basic needs, that food is very basic and how we can ourselves do it. After that, many people came to us, even big farmers came to us and asked, can we plant Ayurvedic herbs? Sorry. So then we were very surprised that now people are thinking of such things which are our root, our base. And then we collected a group of farmers as well. And now we are doing Ayurvedic herbal farming, totally organic. But then the entrepreneur came up with an idea that let us make these herbs organic certified. We made this USDA and EU organic certified, and we took these herbs into the international market and opened it in the international market. You would be surprised, from last 6 months, we have sold over 2.5 crores of raw materials, organic certified into the international market. So this is what was a thought after COVID, which came to us. And in 6 months, we reached to turnover of 2.5 crores. So I think that what is the demand and what we can supply is much more important. I think different, think unique, be loyal, be consistent, be sincere, These are the things that I also learned from many people. And as I said, that risk taking is very important. I also remember one very good thought by Mr. Ratan Tata, that ups and downs are a part of life. Even a plain line in ACG means you are dead. I think ups and downs will always come in your life. You have to face them. You have to face them bravely. Every small business or a big business always has to face ups and downs. We ourselves, being into the 11 generations, being into the academic sector, being into the healthcare sector, we also had ups and downs. The main thing is how you face it, how you take it, and that is the if you do it, if you face it properly, if you have the risk management, if you have the organizational skills, I think so that uh, even in down period you would not lose much of the part. I would be happy because of being an entrepreneur as well as a doctor. In last, from recent COVID situation, many small companies and big companies did not pay the salaries of people. But I would tell you with pride that my company and I always thought that no, 100% salary would be paid each month. Till now, we have done this because we had a different, we thought out of the box, and we had a good economic, the pushback which we had done from last many years. And that's why we could survive in this very worst times where many companies shut down. And being in Ayurveda, which is a neglected sector in India still, and a niche market still, but internationally, I definitely would even request many entrepreneurs sitting here, the young, talented, upcoming entrepreneurs, look into such business which is unique, which is which let you to think out of the box, and strive hard for it. Definitely, you would be on a different level after some years. And again, I thank the Bharati Vidyapeeth, Pune College of Pharmacy, Dr. Ashwin Mali sir, Dr. Pawar sir, for inviting me. I think last year we had spoken about this conference and symposium, but after COVID it was a different situation. I think everyone has, like you have the rightly named the Excalibur. Everyone have a caliber to achieve your goals. You have to just set a goal and pump yourself and strive hard. Thank you for inviting me. I'm a very small entrepreneur in this field, but thank you for inviting me. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
So we'd like
you,
to
thank you,
thank
Dr. Sukumar. Actually, my audio was not there in the beginning, but
Okay,
I
sir.
think now is it audible?
Yeah, you're all.
Yeah. So, on behalf of Bharati Vidyapeeth University, Pune College of Pharmacy, I thank you very much for your wonderful presence today,
Thank you,
because
sir.
this is the right forum and you are the appropriate person for our young pharmacists, those who want to become a good entrepreneurs. Because you are seeing the team, those who are organizing this event, they are very excellent team, that the active persons keep on organizing a lot of program under this entrepreneurship development cell of Pune College of Pharmacy. So many students, more than, through their YouTube channel and other thing, more than 3,000 students have been benefited through many programs. Even our programs are, those students could not join today, but those program is going to be telecasted by them in different channels like Instagram and YouTube.
Right, sir.
So as you rightly said, Ayurveda, though it is a neglected thing, but now there is a very good boom, because I just want to enlighten something. Pune College of Pharmacy is involving in organizing a very big event. It is 8th International Congress of one society called Society for Ethnopharmacology, which is going to promote the traditional medicines of India. Always, it is more than 7 Congress already over. So it's the very first time we are going to organize in Pune in the month of August. So
Oh,
I think most
excellent.
of the traditional healers, they have been provided a platform where some modern scientists and traditional healers will be discussing in the same platform. So most industrialists are going to take up their ideas. This is what our forum is usually doing. And this time, Pune College of Pharmacy has taken that wonderful job. In August, we are coming with 8th International Congress with the participation of around 40 countries.
Wow.
And 40 countries speakers, they are going to participate. Some of them, they are going to be physically present at Pune, but depending on the COVID situation, rules and regulations. Otherwise, they will be joining us with through online mode. But all the delegates are going to join, national delegates are going to join us offline. Of course, your company is going to be one of the participant and contributor. We will be talking it later on. But this
Definitely.
forum, yeah, this entrepreneurship development forum, this ED cell of Pune College of Pharmacy is wonderfully, they are working with your presence. In your presence, I really appreciate the effort of the whole team, those who are conducting this program for the last 1 week. It's like a fest they started, and every year it is going to be like this 1 week program. Lot of entrepreneurs, they are going to share their views so that our young minds will be ignited in a best way, so that we could able to see in another 5 to 6 years there are good entrepreneurs from our team. Those people are going to witness about this program, and they are going to be a speaker in our program in later stages. And I think your motivational speech has enlightened the young participants, and I hope you will be associated with us in future. And all the best for all the participants, the young and the whole team. And thank you very much, sir, for your wonderful presence here on behalf of our
Thank
pharmacy
you.
college. Thank you
Thanks a
so
lot
much.
for the pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much to all the superiors for their insightful views on our event. That's very well said by Mr. Sukumar sir that India can export only two things, yoga and Ayurveda. I hope you can achieve all your future goals too. Thank you so much, sir, for giving your valuable time for our event. Now, at last, I will start the prize distribution ceremony for what all of us were waiting for. I have to say this, apart from all our winners, all the participants have been truly amazing in the whole event. Let's start with the first competition. So, how you started? It was indeed a very great competition. It was very insightful plus very amazing. So, the first position goes to H02 Devdang Kaushal Patwa Tanmay Kulkarni of Pune College of Pharmacy, Pune. And then we have our next competition, Doodle Doodle. So Doodle Doodle was really a very interesting competition. All the competitors have done really well, but as we are bounded with rules, so there could be only two winners. So the first prize goes to DO5, Shivdai Singh Shohabin Pratbhai Patel from Patel School of Pharmacy, Mumbai. Next, we have the runner-up goes to DO4, Prathavi Shah, Shohabin Pratabhai Patel School of Pharmacy, College, Mumbai.
I would also
So,
like to ask all the winners, if you're here, you could just switch on your cameras and say hi, so that we recognize if you guys are here.
congratulations. Are you guys here, right?
Yes, thank you
You
so
can
much.
speak up.
This is
Yeah.
Payal Nisha.
Okay.
Thank you so
Congratulations
much.
to all of you.
Thank you.
So I would like to say one more thing, that all you will be getting a cash prize of 1,000 rupees for the doodle doodle, and first prize will be getting 1,000 rupees cash prize, and um, second prize for the how you doing, how you starting, will be getting 3,000 rupees cash prize, and plus all the winners will be getting some exciting coupons from our sponsors, which I will be telling you but at the last of the prize distribution. So next we have one picture down. So in the one picture down, the first position goes to EO8 Anirudh from Sri Aurobindo College, Gurgaon. Is
Yeah,
he
I
here?
am over here, but yeah, I am here. Thank you so
Okay.
much. Thank you so much, organizer.
Congratulations. So
Congratulations, Anirudh.
so you will be getting a cash prize of rupees 1,500. So next
Okay.
we have the runner up. So a runner up goes to EO4 Akin Babu Joseph from Amal Jyoti College of Engineering, Kottayam. Is he here? Is he here?
No, he's not. You can just move on.
Okay. So he will be getting a cash prize of 1,000 rupees. So next competition we have Round Table 2.0. So Round Table was indeed a very neck to neck competition, really. So the first position goes to RT12 Rashi Agarwal from Christ deemed to be University, Bangalore. Is she here?
Yeah, hi. Good evening.
Hi, congratulations.
Thank you so much. It was such a great experience. Thank you for the opportunity.
Yeah, and plus you will be getting a cash prize of rupees 1,500 too.
Thank you.
So yeah, the second prize goes to Sukhan Shah from MVGR College of Engineering, Vishakhapatnam, and his RT08. Is he here?
I don't think it's a she. It's not. She's not here, I
Okay,
guess.
is she here?
No.
Okay, okay. She'll be getting a cash prize of rupees 1,000 rupees. So at last we have brand 404. So in this, the first position goes to B13 Sheikh Alia M. Abbas from Pune College of Pharmacy, Pune. Is she
Thank you
here?
so much. Yeah, I'm here. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, so you'll be getting a cash prize of rupees 2,000. And next we have the runner-up B11 Ayushi from Goa University, Panjim. Is she here?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
So you will be getting a cash prize of rupees 1,000 rupees.
Okay, thank you.
So now, without further ado, I will be telling you about the hamper and coupons all the winners will be getting. So who doesn't like hampers, right? Everyone likes hampers, coupons, and such heavy cash prizes. So all the winners will be getting hamper from our educational partner, Booklistic, and an exciting coupon from our drinking partner, Filter Beans,
Thank you.
which you will get after this event, surely. So now I would like to call upon President of EDCell PCP, Mr. Swetanshu Subrajit, as there is a little message from him. So he will deliver it to you.
Hi guys. Congratulations to all the winners. Can I quickly get to see all the winners? If every one of you can just turn on your cameras for a second. All the winners. I see Parthavi, Ayushi, and Shivdev. Yeah. Great, amazing. So yeah, congratulations to all of you. And I must say, this was as Jasmine already said, this was a really neck-to-neck competition. And A lot of people were almost tying for the third position or the second position, but then there were some parameters which were already set, because of which we had to select the winners. And yeah, congratulations to the winners. You'll be getting your hampers and the coupons, as well as your cash prizes. And we'll be contacting you shortly for to collect your addresses where the hampers will be sent. Secondly, to all the other participants over here, yesterday night, if you have not checked your mails yet, if you will just go on your emails and check it, you have all received a little gift from our side, which is coupons to buy, clothes or coffee or even books. So, and also skincare products. So it almost covers everything. And this is for all the competitions and all the participants. Apart from that, there were two people who really stood out. And although we could not give them any prizes because they were disqualified as they ran out of time, they exceeded the time limit, but they were really great in their presentation, and they were really amazing, and the judges really found them awe-inspiring. One of them was E12 from One Pitcher Down, Rajesh Tiwari, who would have essentially won the competition, but because he chose a topic which was not given by us, that's why he failed to make it to the charts. Rajesh, we are very sorry for that, but because of your efforts, and you almost made it. You got like the highest marks of all of them, even though you were not sticking to the theme. But yeah, because of your attempts, because of your never dying attitude, because of your amazing performance, we will be sending you a little prize from our own side, from the team side, and we hope that it makes you happy. Rajesh, can I get a quick hi from you? Great, great. So yes, we can't quite hear you, but yeah, I can see your excitement. Great. Another participant is from Brand 404, Prathamesh Sarkar, who was essentially could have been second, but because he exceeded the time by almost the given time itself, he could not win the competition. But yeah, again, we'll be sending you a gift from our side. So we hope that you like it. And to both of these, to all the participants over here, not just these who have been disqualified or the others who won, everyone out there, you were so great during the entire competition. I saw all of you. There was ample amount of research work. There was just so much going into it. Also, ma'am was really happy. The judge for today, for Brand 404, she was very happy with Prathamesh Sarkar, and she is willing to send him one of her own books. Because yeah, you couldn't win because you exceeded the time, but the amount of effort that you put in your entire presentation was really commendable. And so, ma'am was so happy that she's willing to send you one of her own books, and I hope that you like it. So all the winners will be getting a form to fill in their addresses. They can just fill it in, and we'll be sending your hampers or gifts or giveaways, whatever you guys have won. We'll be sending it to you very shortly. And also your e-certificates will be delivered to you by maximum of Saturday this week. Over to you, Jasmine. Thank you very much.
Okay, that's nice. Again, congratulations to all our winners for showing amazing performance in all their respective competitions. I think it's not about winning or losing, it's about how you attempted and how much experience you got. I think that's how an entrepreneur thinks, right? So now, before passing on to our secretary, Miss Niveda Vijayvargiya, I would like to ask everyone to switch on their cameras for a nice picture. Please, guys, like it's the last day of our event, right? I want to have everyone's memory in my head until the next event. So please.
If you say
Great, great.
Excalibur, that won't be a smiling face, so everyone can just say cheese.
Cheese.
Great. Yeah, we're done.
Okay. So now I would like to hand over to Miss Niveda Vijvargia, our ED Cell, Pune College of Pharmacy Secretary, for a vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, Jasmine. So, a very good evening to one and all present here. I Niveda Vijayvargi, on behalf of our complete team, ED Cell PCP, would like to thank each and every one of you who were active throughout this week. And I still can't believe that our annual celebration, Excalibur 2021, is a big success. And also, I would like to thank every one of you who participated, who were there behind the screen, our mentors, everyone. Like sitting right now and thinking 2 months back, I still remember there was a time we all were thinking that online platform has so many disadvantages, बहुत सारे issues थे, and it is not as effective as physical platform. So we were all criticizing it, and that was the time when the idea came into the mind of keeping this online fest, and wherein we the different people who are at a very good post, they can come, they can teach, even the participants can compete. And here we come, then I think after 1 month of very hard preparation of work, here we come with this event. And then we first of all selected a team of really amazing individuals, and a set of like, we are very lucky to have a set of teachers who helped us, who coordinated, and we always had their back. So I would like to thank all our teachers, like Dr. Atmaram Pawar sir, the principal, of PCP, Pokorkar ma'am, Rao ma'am, vice principal, Dr. Satyanarayan sir, Dr. Ashwin Mali sir, who helped us a lot and who trusted us. The most important part is who trusted us and gave us this platform to work. And yeah, the upon all of it, I would like to thank our team. So a big thanks to team like Swetanshu, the main, I should say, the mastermind of the complete event. Shruti, she's like anytime go-to partner. Rushali, our editorial head. Also, I would like to thank our committee, Simran, Disha, Prasad, Gaurav, our core committee members, Divyani, Deepika, Madhav, and Shweta, and our crew members. Also, I would like to thank you guys, Vaishnavi, Akshita, each and every one of you, Jasmine, who worked really hard, who worked behind the screen to make this event successful. And I think, matlab, agar main thank you bolna chahu, there are a lot many names. So I have written it up so that I don't miss any one of them. So I would like to thank Shreya, Shivam, Vaishnavi, Sandesh, Ragini, Preet, Narayani, Mayuri, Jayanti, Jasmine, Rishikesh, and Akshita. Thanks a lot, guys. So there are so many people to thank. I would also like to thank all our judges, all our, all our speakers who came, who shared their experience, and thank you so much. We'll really make sure that we'll keep all your words in mind and will surely apply your suggestions. Also, I would like to thank all our sponsors, because without them, I don't think this event would have been possible. Just a minute. Is my voice audible? Hello?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So I would
Yeah,
like
it
to
is
thank
perfectly
all our
audible.
sponsors, our knowledge partner, Wiley, edutainment partner, Booklistic, skincare partner, Salt and Scrub, drinking partner, Filter Beans, cashback partner, cashkaro.com, wellness partner, Insight One. So yeah, and I think Sakumar sir has left. I can't see his name. Thank you so much, sir, for giving time to us, for taking out time from so much busy schedule. So at last, I would like to congrats all the winners. Like, it's not about winning or losing. It's just that, what matters is you all had put in great efforts. Sab ghar mein reh ke bhi, like, you all had come to, you guys play a very important part to make our event successful. Because of you guys, this event is successful. And after seeing the participants, all like the complete team was glad to have everyone from across the country, from all over the world. So I'm really glad, and I hope like we'll get many more such fun-filled events for you. So like on a ending note, I would just like to say there is only one thing which differentiates and separates a successful entrepreneur from others, which is that faith, that self persistence, and that ability wherein you believe in yourself rather than, you know, once you fail twice, you fail thrice. It's not about ending it up. Failure is not the end. In fact, it's a beginning because it taught you a lot many things. So, and this is how an entrepreneur thinks. So I hope we all, you know, got a lot many things to learn from this. And I hope we, like my complete team is able to give you whatever you guys expected from us. And yeah, we all are too happy with the event. I hope the faculty members, teachers, they are happy too. So finally, yes, we are done with our annual celebration, Excalibur 2021. And I'm really happy to share it's a big success. So yeah, I can't control, like my happiness is on the top of world right now. Thank you so much, everyone present here. Yeah, so like stay safe, be happy, and we will be, you know, making some more fun filled and such more informative sessions for you. And we hope to see you all there as well. Thank you so much. See ya.
Excalibur team deserve all the joy today. Congratulations for successful completion of this event. Congratulations to you all.
Thank you to you too for
Thank
being
you
a
so
part
much,
of it.
Rajesh. Thank you.
Thank you.
And we really hope to see, by the way, you know, your thing, your entire portal doing very well in the future. Bharat.
Niveda, you had made that vote of thanks in an excellent way. The thing is, we have to thank for you because nobody is there to thank you. You have done a very good way. I thank you for.
In fact, sir, thanks to you for trusting us, for giving our team this opportunity.
No. It's not trusting you. You people are rocking, really. You know, there is no question about the participant number, but there is a word that even if you can able to ignite one person's mind with your program, that is our success. So you people are rocking, and it's a wonderful team. I really appreciate all the effort. As you rightly said, Shwetanshu, under the leadership of Shwetanshu, that whole team is working in a best way. Yeah. Good. Very nice to see you, and Niveda, and the way how you were thanking the thing, you know. See, the one best thing about our program, not involving all major senior people to say about their experience, about their all those things. People, the students only they are talking. No, it's very nice to hear all your experience. Yeah, because when you say about the thanking, na, you know the pain, how much pain you people have taken to organize the event, and each and every one you named everybody and you thanked everybody. That's good. And to see all that effort, hats up to you all. Continue that
Thank you
effort.
so much,
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.